So you can see we got the sway bar all finished up. That was the last thing we had to do on the frame. So we're about to take the engine, the trans out, and flip the frame over, get the final welds on the back side, and then she's ready to go out to powder coat. Guys, you can see we got the frame all torn down. We got the rear end tore out back here. Took the radius rods out. We just got to finish welding up the rear sway bar tab links. If you look up here, we got the trans out, the motor out. We just got to finish taking off a couple things off the front, and then she'll be ready to flip over, finish weld all the seams on the bottom. We got to notch out a little bit for the drive shaft clearance, but then she'll be ready.
in the cab to do. Finish up the firewall, paint it up, and grind out all